Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have another product from my July 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to try out, and this is from the brand Chella, which is a pricey brand that I've become a little familiar with through Ipsy, and this month I got the Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. So this is in the shade Blue and Black. And at least if I'm going to be getting an eyeliner in Ipsy, which is something that I don't really want to be receiving anymore, at least this is pearl, so like a little shimmery, which I love, and it's dual-ended, 2-in-1, two different colors, so not just a black eyeliner. But this is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, talc-free. It retails for $35, which I definitely think is expensive for an eyeliner. And by the way, if you haven't seen my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month, that is up here on my YouTube channel as well. But this sounds really nice. It has good ratings. It's supposed to be smudge proof. Okay, so this looks really nice, like a very pointy brush tip. I'm gonna do some swatches before I apply to my eye. I mean, it draws really nicely. It seems very gentle on the eye, but I don't notice any sort of pearl or shimmer on that black color. I mean, a nice black, but no sparkle. Let's see about the blue. Ooh, yes, the blue has sparkle. Not quite as opaque pigment, but more of like a metallic blue. Maybe I had to shake it up. Let's see how the black is if I shake it. No, the same. So really only the blue has that metallic shimmer finish. The black seems nice, but I really do like that blue metallic. So pretty. And I feel like I have to try each shade on an eye. So first I'm going to go ahead and use the blue and line the upper lash line. I'm definitely not great with liquid liner, but this does seem easy to use. Ooh, it actually is looking pretty opaque in pigment and noticeably blue and noticeably that metallic pearl shimmer finish. Ooh, that is actually really pretty. Easy to apply. I really like that. It's a really pretty like ocean blue shade. I feel like I would use that blue more than the black side because I'm not a big black liquid eyeliner wearer. I just feel like it doesn't look as flattering on my eye, but I really like that blue. That is kind of flattering. It keeps the eye looking open. But now trying out the black here. Yeah, you can definitely get a very skinny, precise line, and it doesn't poke the eye at all. Super gentle. It's a brush tip, and it holds a good amount of pigment, not so much where it's coming out too heavy, but enough that you can do the whole line. It doesn't dry out at all, and I love that the tip is pointy enough that I can get right onto the lashes, because I hate when there's that separation between the lash line and the eyeliner and you can like see the skin in between. This gets right down as close and precise as you want. So this would be a good eyeliner before I apply false lashes because it will help hide the band. Wow. For someone like me who is not good with liquid liner, this is very easy to use. I really am happy with both of these, but I feel like the blue is more flattering. I feel like it makes my eye color pop more too, but the black is also nice. Wow, I really like both of these. Let's see if this really is smudge proof. Ooh, yeah, it definitely is smudge proof, but the blue, I am noticing feathering, like it's definitely feathered a lot into the lines on my hand, whereas the black one did not feather. Let's see on my eyelid. Yeah, I'm not really noticing an issue with the feathering on my eye, so that's good. And going over the blue a few times made it opaque in pigment, so I'm not too worried about the feathering actually on my eye. But wow, I really am happy with this. Definitely a product that I'm excited to have in my collection, that I do think is worth getting at Ipsy, getting for a good deal. Although $35 I think is pricey, and I've tried out so many awesome, inexpensive liquid liners, even color and metallic and shimmery ones that are much cheaper but still just as good. So this is good, but I don't feel like you need to spend $35 on it to get eyeliner this good. But the ratings on this were high, and I agree with those ratings, but of course I would love to hear in the comments down below what you would rate this. Let me know what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.